Hello, I'm Jarrod McCollum. The home originally was my grandmother's home. I inherited after her passing. Once I came into ownership of the home, I found out the extent of the damage. The termites had eaten away maybe 30% of the flooring on the main level. I'm really trying to bring the house back to give myself a feeling that my grandmother is still here with us. Oh, goodness. Now just thinking about it, like it's been something. It almost brings me to tears to even go this far into this project. So hopefully I can make her proud by everything, and I hope that someone can take from my experience and bring their home back to a great working condition.